Hello guys, in today's video we present the FOSSiBOT F112 Pro, a rugged phone that combines durability, advanced materials and modern design. Thanks to its innovative liquid silicone bag, it provides a comfortable and safe grip with additional resistance to shocks and scratches. It's the first largest 6.88-inch HD Plus water display in a rugged category, offers outstanding visibility, 120Hz refresh rate and a solid brightness for outdoor use. Under this solid armor hides the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor, up to 24GB of RAM, 256GB of internal memory and 50MP cameras for superb photos. Powerful 7150 mAh battery ensure long-term autonomy, waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. It is ready for adventure. FOSSiBOT F112 Pro makes no compromises. Check out in today's video review. The FOSSiBOT F112 Pro comes in a traditional orange box with a minimalistic design without unnecessary details. Slowly opening the lid reveals the interior of the carefully organized packaging, where the smartphone is safely nestled. Along with the phone itself, the box contains all the necessary accessories that allow users to start using it immediately. And we have this detailed user manuals, guides the user through all functions of the phone. SIM pin for opening the SIM slot, USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, 80-watt fast charger that provides average charging speed. The smartphone also comes packed in a transparent TPU protective case, which we will naturally remove it. This is a useful thing to keep your smartphone looking like new for a long time, and the big plus is that you won't have to go to expense of looking for an extra protective case for the phone. Now, the first touch with the phone reveals a fascinating combination of strength and style. Although this is a rugged phone, its back, made of innovative liquid silicone, provides an incredibly pleasant feeling under the fingers, far from the classic hard and rough surfaces that are common with such devices. Its back, made of revolutionary liquid silicone, is not only aesthetically appealing but also provides additional resistance to shocks, scratches and falls, making this phone a true ally for adventurers and all those looking for a device that can withstand serious conditions of use. As you can see, the smartphone looks beautiful in this orange and gold color combination. I dare say that this could be the first rugged smartphone made for women. Why do I say that? Well, first of all, besides being beautiful, soft to the touch and all that, it comes in a variety of beautiful colors, combinations. Just look at them. What women also love is a huge screen. The F112 Pro comes with a huge, long, cinematic 6.88-inch HD Plus screen with 120Hz refresh rate. This is the world's first rugged phone to come with such a large screen, which significantly improves the experience of watching movies, playing games, or generally interacting with the phone. In the teardrop notch, there is an excellent 60MP camera that ensures that your selfies are captured with a sharp detail and vibrant colors, and the video calls always run smoothly, all with the face unlock feature available. Working on this screen is a real pleasure thanks to the high refresh rate of 120Hz. All animations, scrolling through the web pages and navigating through applications are extremely smooth. Watching videos on YouTube, Netflix or other streaming platforms provides a fantastic experience. Thanks to the long screen diagonal, the colors are rich and the details are clear, while fluid refresh allows you to comfortably watch your favorite series even when you view dynamic content such as action scenes and sport broadcast. The screen remains responsive and pleasant to watch. The screen brightness of 480 nits ensures solid visibility in daytime conditions. Now let's not forget to mention the external features of this phone. On the right side of this phone, in a golden metal frame, we find this volume up and down button, and below it's the power button, doubled as a fingerprint scanner. On the opposite side, we find the SD card tray with the two free slots, with which you have an option for fully functional two 5G SIM cards simultaneously, or one SIM card and a micro SD card of up to 1 TB. A little lower we can see this perforated red button, which can be customized to perform various functions with phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this one button has 3 different functions according to your wishes. On the bottom side of the phone there is USB-C port covered with a rubber seal that guarantees 100% water resistance. Around it we find the microphone hole and grills for a very loud speaker, also waterproof. FOSSiBOT F112 Pro comes with a powerful rear camera system, led by a 50 megapixel primary sensor which enables recording extremely sharp and detailed photos. This camera excels in daylight conditions, delivering vivid colors, good dynamic range and accurate exposure, while software optimization improves the quality of low light shots. The second camera is a 5 megapixel macro sensor which allows to close up shots with incredible details. And we also have a depth sensor here. Video capabilities are also at the highest level. The device supports recording at the maximum 2K resolution with electronic stabilization, providing smooth and stable footage, ideal for documenting adventures, work tasks or everyday moments. Now, to truly appreciate the camera capabilities, check out some sample photos and videos taken with the F112 Pro. So let's take a look. At the heart of this phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor built in advanced 6nm architecture and clocked at up to impressive 2.2 GHz, which delivers solid performance for everyday tasks, multitasking and mid-range gaming. With the base of 8GB of RAM, further expandable by 16GB of virtual RAM capacity, say goodbye to any slowdowns or lag. With the 256GB of internal storage with microSD supports of up to 1TB, users have plenty of space for apps, photos, videos and documents. In everyday use, the F112 Pro works smoothly, applications open quickly, there are no delays when scrolling through menus, and the most demanding games work stably at medium settings. Even during multitasking, the phone maintains fluidly without overheating thanks to the optimized chipset and efficient memory management. On the software side, the phone runs on the latest Android 14, offering a clean and bloatware-free experience. Is packed with essential Google apps and the latest functions with the practical pre-installed tools like Toolbox, making it ideal companion for any situation, especially in challenging environments. Connectivity is another area where the F112 Pro shines. It supports global 5G networks, delivering lightning-fast internet speeds for smooth streaming, quick downloads and response to online gaming. Provides faster speed and the battery coverage, while accurate navigation and guaranteeing through GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou systems, ensuring you stay on course no matter where you are. Additionally, with NFC, Bluetooth 5.2 and other robust wireless options, you always connect and ready for anything. F112 Pro comes with a huge 7150 mAh battery, which provides a fantastic autonomy and enables several days of use without the need for charging. With this capacity, the phone easily lasts up to 3 days with moderate use and even effortlessly offers more than 12 days on standby with a single SIM inserted. For fast charging, there is 18 watts wireless charging, which allows charging up to 50% capacity in just over an hour, while the full charge is possible in approximately 3 hours. Although it's not the fastest charging on the market, considering the battery capacity, the result is quite solid. What makes the battery even more useful is the possibility of reverse charging, which means that the F112 Pro can be used as a power bank for other devices. The F112 Pro isn't just another rugged phone, it's designed to survive the most demanding conditions. It has STD 800H military certification, which means that it has been tested for resistance to shocks, vibration, extreme temperatures and high pressure. In addition, IP68 and IP69K certification ensure that the device can withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters depth to the 30 minutes, as well as protection against dust, dirt and mud. It's 360-degree all-round dust-proof with the specially reinforced edges, reduce impacts, and the screen is additionally protected with a scratch-resistant layer, which increases the longevity of the device. As you can see, the F112 Pro looks beautiful in this orange and gold color combination. I can safely say that this could be the first rugged phone made with a special emphasis on aesthetics, which makes it a great choice for women as well. Besides being extremely beautiful and soft to the touch, it comes in a variety of attractive colors that will appeal to anyone who wants a device that stands out. What also attracts attention is huge, long cinematic 6.88-inch HD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes every interaction with the phone incredibly fluid. This is the first rugged phone with such a large screen, which drastically improves the experience of watching movies, playing games, or using multimedia in general. If you're impressed with this unique look, great features and capabilities of this phone, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video. So act quickly and get your brand new FOSSiBOT F112 Pro today while you have a chance. Thank you for watching. Feel free to click like if you like the video, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.